Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the Wolly Wormit. Uh, this is a new uh, cleaning wheel tool that has come recently in the detailing business. And as you can see, it's a small rectangular box. It says Wolly Wormit, the original, and then here it says, hey, get me out of here, I want to start cleaning your wheels. Very nice. And you can order this from the wollywormit.com website. It's patent, so let's see how this goes. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, there's a few goodies here. Okay, if I'm right, these are some sponge that are to clean the spokes. It comes in different size, so you can get the one that is right for you. Very cool. This is the base where you put the sponge. This will be one of the edge of the Wolly Wormit. And here is the Wolly Wormit by itself. It's a chenille microfiber tool. Let's open this up. Okay. Oops. Let's see what is this paper. Okay, basically these are the instruction for the lug nut cleaner, how to pull the inside of the Wolly Wormit. It has a plastic flexible um, inside or mechanism. Okay, let's see the Wolly Wormit itself. It's very soft, like I said, it's chenille microfiber. Let's lose these noodles. It's very rigid, but at the same time it can bend with some force, so you can clean, for example, the back of your um, wheel spokes. Um, let's see what's inside. Okay, okay, I just don't want to tear it apart. Okay, once you pull these strings, it pulls out pretty easily. Okay, this is the inside. This is the magic of the Wolly Wormit. You can bend it, it's very strong, so it can adapt to any wheel or surface. It has a very cool label that says Wolly Wormit. Goes up here. These are the microfiber chenille noodles. I think it comes in 3 colors. You can order in the website: the black, dark gray, purple. This is the black one. But in case that, for example, the one that you order is damaged, or you want to change the color or something, you can order it through the Wolly Wormit website. So let's put this back on. Okay, very easy. Okay, and then I will have to verify the lug nuts of my wheels. Um, but let's open this up. Okay, so are these two the same? No, as you can see, one is smaller and the other one is bigger, so it depends on the one you need. Okay, so like I mentioned, this foam lug nut cleaner comes in different sizes, so I will have to check um, tomorrow the one for my car. It has four four there's a total of 8 different sizes, so that's pretty neat. I don't I'm not sure. I think that these four are the same sizes, I think, and these other ones are smaller. So basically you have four from one size and four smaller ones. So in case one of them breaks, you can you have three other spare ones. So that's pretty cool. This is okay. So you connect this lug nut cleaner base. Okay, here. I think the ones in my car are bigger ones. So let me. Okay. Basically, you connect one of these lug nut cleaner foam here, and then you basically use the same. You grab the Wolly Wormit through the center, so you can clean the lug nuts. This is a all-in-one tool where you can clean the wheels, the bottle inside. You can flex it and clean behind the spokes, clean the nuts, lug nuts, and you can even clean the face of the wheel. I think that's the hardest part of any wheel cleaner tool. But I will have to test this one in my M5 wheels. So I think that this weekend I might take a video showing you how I'm going to be using this to clean my wheels. So it's going to be very interesting. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and take care. Bye.